Hey everyone. All right. Keyboard just arrived. Actually saw this on a TechDweeb video. He wasn't doing a review of it. It was just on his desk. And I said, holy crap, they made a Commodore 64 version of the 8bitdo keyboard. So I had to have it because I love the Commodore 64. You can't see it. It's just off to the side over here. Maybe I'll do a video on my C64 setup one day. But let's open it up and let's give it a look. You're going to see it with me for the first time. It does 2.4 gigahertz and Bluetooth, by the way, or USB, which is really great. Oh, love the color. You can tell already I'm going to like this. That's some good glue. I guess we're going to tear it. Wow, well, that's some very stretchy. All right. Oh my goodness. Oh, the color is so freaking good. Oh my God. Hold on. Let's put that aside. Give me 1 second. All right. Let's bring a Commodore in here. All right. We get both those in the frame? Kind of. All right. So this is my Commodore 64, and I used the Ultimate 1541 Ultimate 2 cart in it. Had that for a long time. Love it. It's amazing. Would like to get the upgrade. But anyway, it's not about that at the moment. It's about this. And look at that color. Oh man, it's almost perfect. And this, I mean, this is old, so it's got, it's discolored a little bit over time. The brown is almost identical. Function, button color is great. Oh man, it's so good. Love it. 8bitdo versus the Commodore Rainbow. Wow. Yeah, they really did a good job. Holy smoke. It's yeah, this is fantastic. All right, well, can't wait to get it hooked up and give it a shot. So I guess Bluetooth or 2.4 gigahertz. Oh my God. Did you see that? What? Shut up. It's got the power button just like on the C64. Oh my God. Oh, I'm actually, I'm gonna put them on this. Oh my God. I'm so excited now. I can't wait to get this hooked up. Oh, this is so good. Okay. It also comes with, hold on. I don't know that I'll actually use these, but it came with a joystick and some buttons. It's got some little stickers. Looks like some little stickers it comes with. Those are cute. Book, pretty thick book for a keyboard. Okay, it comes with these big giant, AB buttons, just like their NES one, which seems, I don't know, seems more appropriate on the NES. But let's see if I can figure out some use for those. Interesting. And this is kind of cool, except for I think the one fatal flaw in it is that it doesn't have a button on it, which I guess they intend for you to use these big giant buttons. But it comes with this, what looks like a competition, joystick. Not bad, not bad. And this plugs in here. So X, Y, and then the AB buttons plug in here. That's interesting. It says A, B, but it's only got one plug. So I guess it can go at either one, I guess. I don't know. I'll figure that out in a bit. But yeah, I think if the little joystick had a button on it, that would have been kind of cool. But again, I don't know if I'll actually use those. But the keyboard itself, yeah, keys feel really good, and they've got a nice, like they're concave, very much like the Commodore was, but the Commodore, these are more squared off, like it's a little more of a squared off concave, but a very, very close feel. But of course, the Commodore wasn't mechanical, so it doesn't have that kind of spongy feel that the Commodore has. But very similar amount of throw. All right, awesome. Anyway, that's the 8bitdo retro mechanical keyboard, designed to look like the Commodore 64. All right, talk to y'all later.